Hi guys, so here we have a word called conjugate. Conjugate, it's quite simple really how to find the conjugate of a complex number. Um, the reason why we use it, it's to simplify kind of complex, different types of complex numbers. Don't worry too much about why you need to, why we use it yet. The main thing for now is to understand how to find the conjugate, and it's quite easy. So if z equals a plus bi, then z with the line over it, so that notation there, that's important, z with a straight line over it, equals a minus bi. So we just change the sign. So we just change the sign of the middle really, and then that's the conjugate. So and we'll just go through these examples. So if z equals 4 plus 3i, well then z with a line over there, the conjugate of z would be, we just change the sign, always the sign in the middle, so it would just be 4, instead of a plus we'd have a minus 3i. So that would be the conjugate of that one. Next one then, the conjugate, if z equals minus 2 minus 10i, well then the conjugate, so z with a line over it, would be minus 2, and we just change the sign in the middle again, so it would be a plus 10i. The C one, or the question C then, is minus 6i, so it's just minus 6i, but we know that that's the same thing as 0 minus 6i. So if I'm to find the conjugate then, so z with a line over again, it would be 0 plus 6i, and that's just the same thing then as 6i. So conjugate of that would be 6i. So we just change the sign in the middle. That's all we do to find the conjugate. So there's 3 more questions here. If you just want to pause the video and try them and then play it on, and I'll put up the answers for you. So the first one anyway, 2 plus 3i, so we just change the sign in the middle, so it would be 2 minus 3i, or another way of thinking about it is you change the sign of the imaginary part of the part with the I. Second one, minus 3 minus 4i, so that would change to minus 3 plus 4i, so that would be the conjugate of that. And then 4 minus 6i, the third one, so that would change to 4 plus 6i. So quite simple how to find the conjugate. It's just you need to remember